Hello everyone, this is Marwyn, the CEO of 15X Business Solutions, the 15X Business Hacker King. Would like to give a shout out to Zishan. If I could give Zishan 100, star reviews, I'll give Zishan 100 star reviews. Nothing but awesomeness. Definitely the best graphic designer that I've ever worked with. I've worked with maybe over a dozen graphic designers since I've been an entrepreneur, and Zishan work has been excellent 100% of the time. Some of the things I like about Zishan is his humility and his attitude towards work. He understands tasks without having to go into long explanations and going into Zoom calls and meetings and stuff like that in order to over explain. And that's one of the troubles that I had, like working with people. I had to always go on Zoom calls. I had to do a lot of recordings and over explain myself. But for some reason, Zishan is always able to take the imagination off what I'm trying to create in my mind and make it happen by just sending him a short paragraph on Slack Messenger or Facebook Messenger or wherever, just a simple paragraph, and he's able to take that information and to just make it happen, right? And not only that, he also creates way better than my expectations. So if I'm expecting it to come out like this, he makes it even 10 times better. So those are some of the key aspects of working with Zishan. His speed is also amazing. We're able to get about 70 to 80% of our graphic projects done within 24 hours, which means same day. We're able to get 70 to 80% of our products done same day, right? And he's always on call. He's always on time. I remember working with Zishan. Zishan would be up 7 days a week ready to work. And I'm like, Zishan, when do you take a break, right? So very amazing guy to work with. I love working with him. Zishan, kudos to you, man. You're going to do great anywhere you go. You're going to do great. Any project that you have, you're going to do amazing. And I want you to keep challenging yourself, keep going hard. And if you're watching this as a testimonial, you can take it from me, firsthand. Zishan has done amazing work with me, and I would always continue to work with Zishan, and I wish him all the best.